Daily foods that can reverse aging fast. Aging is a natural process that affects everyone, but certain foods can help slow down its effects and keep you looking and feeling youthful. The key to maintaining a youthful appearance and strong body lies in consuming nutrient-rich foods that fight inflammation, boost collagen production, and improve overall health. Including anti-aging foods in your daily diet can help rejuvenate skin, strengthen bones, improve brain function, and enhance energy levels. Below are some of the most powerful daily foods that can help reverse aging fast. 1. Berries for antioxidant power. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Antioxidants combat free radicals that cause oxidative stress, one of the primary contributors to aging. The vitamin C in berries helps stimulate collagen production, keeping skin firm and reducing wrinkles. Eating a handful of berries every day can improve skin elasticity, boost brain function, and enhance heart health, making them a must-have in any anti-aging diet. 2. Fatty fish for youthful skin. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Omega-3s are essential for keeping the skin plump and glowing by strengthening cell membranes and retaining moisture. Additionally, fatty fish contain high-quality protein, which aids in muscle maintenance and tissue repair, keeping the body strong and resilient. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week can significantly contribute to a youthful and radiant complexion. 3. Leafy greens for cellular repair. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote healthy aging. These vegetables are rich in vitamin K, which helps maintain bone strength, and lutein, which supports eye health. Additionally, their high fiber content aids digestion and detoxification, flushing out toxins that can accelerate aging. Consuming leafy greens daily in salads, smoothies, or cooked meals can enhance overall vitality and slow down the aging process. 4. Nuts and seeds for longevity. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They contain vitamin E, an essential nutrient for skin protection, preventing wrinkles, and reducing damage from UV rays. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and flax seeds help keep the brain sharp and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Snacking on a handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals can provide long-term anti-aging benefits by promoting skin health, heart health, and brain function. 5. Avocados for skin hydration. Avocados are a powerhouse of healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins E and C, and antioxidants, all of which are essential for youthful skin. They keep the skin hydrated and supple while reducing inflammation that can lead to premature aging. Avocados also support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and providing potassium for balanced blood pressure. Adding avocado slices to salads, blending them into smoothies, or spreading them on toast can help you reap their anti-aging benefits. 6. Dark chocolate for skin elasticity. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, is rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that improve skin hydration and elasticity. These compounds protect the skin from sun damage, enhance blood flow, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, dark chocolate boosts mood and cognitive function, making it a great anti-aging treat. Eating a small piece of dark chocolate daily can provide both health benefits and satisfaction without excessive sugar intake. 7. Green tea for detoxification. Green tea is packed with polyphenol, antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. It contains catechins, which improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and protect against sun damage. Green tea also supports metabolism, helps with weight management, and detoxifies the body, flushing out harmful toxins. Drinking a cup of green tea daily can promote longevity and slow down the visible signs of aging. 8. Turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that fights aging by reducing cellular damage. Curcumin helps improve skin health, enhance brain function, and support joint mobility. Adding turmeric to meals, drinking turmeric tea, or taking curcumin supplements can provide powerful anti-aging effects and overall health benefits. 9. Yogurt and fermented foods for gut health. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut contain probiotics that balance gut bacteria, boosting immune function and reducing inflammation. Since chronic inflammation accelerates aging, maintaining gut health with probiotic-rich foods can keep you looking and feeling younger for longer. 10. Sweet potatoes for skin radiance. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A promotes skin cell renewal, enhances glow, and prevents dryness and wrinkles. The fiber in sweet potatoes also supports digestive health, reducing bloating and improving overall well-being. Including sweet potatoes in meals can provide sustained energy and a natural boost to skin health.